In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get Hulu for cheap so you can enjoy streaming without overspending. Let's get started. To save money, start by choosing Hulu's ad-supported plan, which is the cheapest option. For even more savings, opt for the Disney bundle, which includes Hulu, Disney Plus, and ESPN Plus at a discounted rate. If you're a student, sign up for the Spotify Student Discount, which offers Hulu ad-supported Spotify Premium and Showtime at a reduced price. Look for free trials or promotional discounts on Hulu's website to try the service before committing. Sharing your account with family or friends can also reduce costs, as Hulu allows multiple users on certain plans. Alternatively, cancel before the free trial ends if you only need temporary access. For offline viewing, download content while connected to Wi-Fi and access it later in the Downloads section. Ensure your payment details are updated to avoid interruptions. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy streaming Hulu for less.